may pagkakataon na siya tapusin kanina, but he just came up and actually touched gloves pa with his opponent.
Well, the guy knows what he can do. And I don't know if there's any guy out there who can really stand against the strength of this very young man.
Well, Nival tried to hit after touching gloves, and Gonzalez tags him 3 times in the face. Nival is still standing, not defending himself though. Oh, Nival with a connection that time.
Now Nival is backpedaling, and there's again.
Now to the body this time. I don't think you know. He'll try to stand up. He beats the count.
No,
This is a valiant effort.
he pointed out to his corner that he really feels the pain in his midsection.
His corner didn't even talk to him, and there he goes again. That will be it. And it is all midsection there, Mike.
I don't think this guy can breathe properly right now. That midsection is totally obliterated. The power punches of Roberto Gonzalez again wows the crowd here in Giginto, Bulacan. 9 wins, or rather make that 10 wins, 7 by way of KO for Roberto Gonzalez, this 18-year-old kid, the phenom of the Touch Gloves Boxing Gym, again, the spectacular win.
Well, yung nangyari nga dito, it looks like a trend now for some of the Touch Gloves fighters. You know, Lolito Sonsona won earlier, didn't really have time to go to the body. Pero earlier nga, itong siya Papustan went exclusively to the body. So it looks like Boy Sonsona, the coach now of the Touch Gloves team, is trying to say, you know what, you go to the body, chop down the tree slowly. Yun nga ginawa dito. Roberto Gonzalez doesn't really fight like that. He's more of a headhunter. He'll mix it up. Pero yung nangyari nga doon, when he went to the body, it was more effective for him. Sabi ni Gonzalez, oy, dito na lang ako. Easy target naman.
Saka sanay tayo makita to si Roberto Gonzalez giving us 2-punch, 3-punch combinations. So si Nival, medyo mahina yata fair basket ito. As you said, pinauna na nasunto. And that's the result.
Well, after 3 rounds of boxing, it will be a TKO para dito kay Roberto Calibre Gonzalez. As Mark mentioned, he is undefeated in 10 professional fights, and he also racks up his 7th knockout. Let's get the official time now from Rodrigo Rosetta.